passenger side door. The first one, push one time and twice, then lights up. And the second one is a lock. When the lock your whole vehicle twice, then when you push it twice, the lights will be off. And this button is open the side door and the rear door. When you open the side door, when you open it, when you close, use your left hand to push here. Both push together. When here is no gap, means fully closed. If you only use one hand, sometimes there's a gap, not closed, properly closed. After open, that means main battery switch is here. You can turn on. Then there's all lights for the main battery. You can turn off here. If you leave the RV for all day or long time, you can turn it off. Otherwise, you just leave this on for the battery on. This button is the onion. When you push out, there's the onion light off, on, off. There's the onion in. This switch is under the step. Here is the light for the light time. Okay, then I can show you all light switch. There is three switches: the bathroom, and the one light here, one light here on the top, and here is the one button. The light. It's this one. Then there is the three switches for the bar. This is a switch for this bar, the bar light, and then this switch for this light, and one more switch. This is for outside LED light. This switch is